This video is made for those people who have goals, who have dreams, and who want to achieve something in your life. So now it's February 2024. So think about the dreams and goals that you had in 2024. That is in new year. So just think how much you have gone through it and how much you have achieved it. So now the most of people will realize that I haven't gone through it and I haven't achieved many more. And this is the point where most of the people start to give up. They feel that they are not enough and they feel that this is not meant for them. But this is due to some mistakes that you have done in your journey. So I am here to help you to achieve your goals in 2024. Now, first of all, I am speaking about goal setting. So I know that most of the people have goals, most of the people have dreams, and most of the people know where they should be. But the truth or the reality is that most of the people are not specific in these kind of things. They think that they have to be achieve something, they have to be successful in their life, and they have to be somewhere at some point of time. So I'm not speaking about these kind of goals. I'm speaking about specific goals. You should have some specific goals. You should specific about your dreams. You should specific about your goals, and you should specific where you should be in next 5 years. You should be in next 10 years, in next 20 years, where you should be. What amount of money you should make in next 10 years. What amount of money you should make in next 20 years. What will be your position in next 10 years. So these kind of things should be more clear in your goals. You should set every goals in specific and you should write it down. So for example, say that I have to grow my YouTube channel. So instead of setting this goal like this, specifically I have to set my goal like I have to achieve 100k subscribers this year. So this is more specific and the chances that you are going to achieve this specific goals is more higher. Now you have clear goals and clear dreams. Now I'm speaking about planning. Plan where to start, plan how to do it, and plan what I should change in my life to achieve my goal. So for example, say that I have to achieve 100k subscribers in my YouTube channel in this year. So I have to plan what to do it, how much content that I have to do it, and what are the type of content that I have to do, and how to strategize everything that I do. This is also more important thing. And for example, take another example, like I have to achieve 90% of marks in my examination. So I have to plan what syllabus I have to cover and how much syllabus I have to cover each day, and what are the changes that I have to make in my study model. Now you have more specific goals and more specific plans, but you have to take action. So I'm speaking about action, and most of the people fail to take actions. If you are not going to take any actions in your dream, you are not going to progress anymore. This is the truth that you have to understand, and you have to take actions every day. You have to take actions now. At this point of time, you have to take action. So for the first action that you have to take is to set your goals more clearly, and the second action is to plan what you have to do, where to start and how to do it. So this is the most first important 2 steps that you have to take to achieve your goal, and this method will help you to act upon your goal. So I'm speaking about 1, 2, 3 method, and this method says that if you want to do something now, do it now with 1, 2, 3. So for example, if I want to shoot one video and I'm feeling that I don't want to shoot, just say 1, 2, 3 and go for the shooting, and there is no excuses. So this is about 1, 2, 3 method, and this is all about today's video. So go and make your goals clear, make your plans, and take actions on your goals. Go now. 1, 2, 3.